Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, and it is a Christmas themed Dollar Tree haul. I am so excited because I love shopping for holiday items at the Dollar Tree. You guys know I like going to the Dollar Tree year round, but at the holidays that's absolutely my favorite time. You can get such affordable like craft items, gift wrap, even like stocking stuffers. I've got kind of a mishmash of stuff and I'm gonna jump right in. I've got some stuff that I've hauled before in like years past that I kind of buy every single year, and then there is some stuff that is brand new. I'm going to start with one of the new items. I am a mug fanatic and I love the Dollar Tree mugs. This one is so adorable. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, and it's got the classic like red truck with the little trees, which is so trendy. I love when they put out fun designs like this, and I have a ton of Dollar Tree mugs, and to me they're pretty good quality. I can always put them in the dishwasher. Love it. I got these strands of like holly berries. Would you call that holly? I don't know. Holiday berries. It's a 9-foot garland, which is really long for $1, and the quality on this looks really good. It looks like something you would get at Michael's. You can decorate with these in a ton of different ways. I'm kind of envisioning maybe like over a headboard. This would be really pretty on a mantle as well, or maybe on like a curtain rod above your curtains. Really, really pretty. I got a few strands of those. I'm thinking I might even have more than what I just showed you. I got these little holiday houses. These are super cute and they're a really nice size. What I like about them is they are plastic. I have a toddler, I have cats. I try not to put too much breakable decor out in my home, so I like that these are going to be nice and resilient, and they're such a good size. They light up, I think. Yeah, they do. So you can put a battery in them, or maybe you put a tea light. Maybe, I don't, battery, yeah, so it's made for a battery operated tea light. So if you put a little candle in here, they would flicker. I've seen a ton of people buying these and using them for craft projects. These would look so pretty if you spray painted them white. You could get like that really classic ceramic Christmas village look. I've got some projects in mind for these. That's what I picked them up for. I got one of these ornaments. Dollar Tree has been doing these like stag head deer ornaments for a while now, but this is the first year that I saw it in this style with the wreath around it, and I thought the wreath was a really nice addition. It makes it really substantial. Again, look, it's almost the size of my head. I think this would be really pretty on a wreath. So if you had a green garland wreath and hung this kind of in the middle, that would be a really pretty addition to that. I got just one because I think I'm going to use it not as a Christmas tree ornament on a tree, but for a project. I got a ton of these like little wooden signs. This one was my favorite. They have a ton of fun designs this year. I love the Farm Fresh Christmas tree sign. Farm Fresh is on everything, right? 2 years from now, we're all gonna have 22 things that say Farm Fresh, and we're gonna hate the style. But right now, I'm still really into it, and I think it's so classic and cute. I like retro. This is probably gonna go on a bookshelf. These I'm so excited about, and I think this is the first year they put these out. So it's this trio of galvanized metal words. So for years now, maybe like 2 years, they've been doing these at Thanksgiving time with thankful, harvest, and welcome, and this is the first year I've seen them with Christmas messages. So that you get peace, joy, and believe, and they're a really nice size, and these are great for DIY projects. If you're doing like any signs or something, these would be super pretty. These would be really gorgeous as well, just on a tree. Nestle them in your Christmas tree as kind of an adornment. These would be really pretty on a wreath. A lot of options on how to style this. This is another one of my favorite items I got. I got this little organizing bucket, again with the Farm Fresh. This is so adorable. I absolutely love this. I'm going to probably use this as organization for holiday supplies, tape, scissors, you know, ribbon, whatever I need to kind of corral for my project making at the holidays. This is going to be perfect. Actually, I kind of wish I had picked up more than just one of those. I got a ton of these mini trees. I love these. These are probably, this is one of my ride or die holiday items the Dollar Tree puts out. They are, I think, like a 12-inch tree. It's not saying anywhere. I think it's about a foot tall. It's a 12-inch tree. It's a great value for $1. I mean, obviously they don't look like the most expensive trees, but what I like to use these for is for projects. You can zhuzh them up. I have something specific in mind for these, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you won't miss it. In a few weeks, I'm gonna have a really cute tutorial on how to use these. I love dressing them up. For $1, you cannot beat it. Here's another little holiday sign. This one is so pretty. This looks so like Victorian to me with the font. I love these classic designs. Again, really pretty on a bookshelf. Can't beat it for $1. I got a box of Jingle Bells. I buy these all the time at Dollar Tree. I use these to decorate presents. Like I'll tie one on to the ribbon on a present. I'll put these on garland. So many ways to use these, and you get 9 for $1. Can't beat it. Can't beat that price, guys. This scarf came home with me. I love the buffalo check. I'm into the white and black buffalo check this year over the red and white, and this is going to be for a DIY project. I'm not going to be wearing it, but it's such a great value. You can't, like, if you were trying to buy fabric, you couldn't get it for that price. Oh, I got some ornaments, and these are my favorite new ornaments I've seen. They're these little, what is this? Trailer? Yeah, it's a trailer, right? This little Christmas trailer, so cute and retro, so 50s Christmas, and they're plastic, perfect for me. You get 2 for $1. I think I got a few sets. Yeah, I did. 2. I got 3 sets. They're so cute. These are gonna look really adorable on a Christmas tree. Another new ornament I got. I love this little door with the wreath. That looks very farmhouse to me. I got 2 of these. It's such a nice size. I just think, look at how substantial. You could fill up a tree so inexpensively with these Dollar Tree ornaments. I got a few strings of LED lights. I don't think this is a seasonal item. I think they have these out throughout the year. But I love that they're LED. You get 12 lights, 4.5 feet. I got one with copper wiring, which I think is so pretty, and then one with silver wiring. I love at the holidays to take just like a jar or a glass vase, something translucent, and just put these in there and turn it on, and don't do anything else to it. It's so pretty. I am a big believer in fairy lights, and at the holidays I go all out. I put them everywhere, guys. I've got one more item here that is not really a Christmas item, but I'm going to show it to you because I'm going to use it for the holidays. I found this new toy. I've never seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree. So you get a little toy cutting board, and you get 2 pieces of fruit, a pineapple and an apple. Why the apple is bigger than the pineapple, I don't know. But they're Velcro, and it comes with a knife, so your child can actually chop it and it'll split apart. Obviously, this is not revolutionary. There are plenty of food toys that are like that, but for $1, that's a lot of pieces. Let me know if you've seen this and if you've seen any other sets. Like, I'm sure there's a vegetable edition of this, but I couldn't find it. I'm going to put this in my daughter's stocking, so that's why I'm showing it to you. Dollar Tree is such a great place for stocking stuffers, for smaller gift items. I'm going to be talking about ideas like that in my upcoming videos. This year, I'm going to do Vlogmas for the first time. I am totally excited. I have a ton of ideas. It's going to be DIYs, gift guides, stockings, recipes, easy food, what I'm up to this holiday season. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So again, hit that red subscribe button. You won't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you're seeing at the Dollar Tree this week. And everybody have a happy Thanksgiving. It's right around the corner. I will see you guys next time. Bye.